Hey guys, welcome to the Bitcoin overview. Are we going to shoot straight to 46,000 or are we going to pause here and start coming back down? We're going to take a look at that in today's video. So we're not going to waste time, guys. Dive on in. Currently at 110 wins and 0 losses on this channel. We've never lost a crypto trade. Come over, guys, and trade with us and you'll see exactly how we trade all the markets. We are about to take most likely our 111th win on Avalanche, and that is very close to being at, we're basically sitting just a tad bit above our break-even entry here at 0.21, so I will be calling an exit on that maybe today, maybe tomorrow, if the market starts pumping up here. So it's been really exciting, guys. Come join us. I think you're going to have a blast, and let's dive on in here. The trend dashboard, looking at the indicators that I would say majority of retail traders are using, RSI, stochastic, MACD, and the moving averages, the major ones. These are all bullish this morning. I want to draw your attention to this because when retail traders see that their indicators are all bullish, this is when they can start just continuing to push money into the market, and we can start seeing a move up here. But I've seen more times than not, when the trend dashboard is completely green, this is a better time to look to sell long trades. Now, obviously, we're not in the profit yet, but those of you guys who are using our indicators and you are scalping with them, and you guys got into the lower sections down here based off the tutorial, the masterclass I showed you guys, you are all in very good profit, and you already won your 3 to 4% that I teach you guys how to scalp with. You are doing very, very well. So make sure you guys, I know this is an intermission here, come over here, go to the masterclass videos on our site, tradeconfident.io, go all the way to the bottom and let me show you guys how to scalp this whole crypto market. We have a lot of success doing this, okay? This is a separate strategy from the 110 wins we've won in a row, but you guys will also see success with that because it is a really, really good strategy, just period. It is a very good strategy, okay? You guys just need these two indicators down here and the metrics. So let's dive into this now. Price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion. What are we looking at down here? Well money flow is getting very high here. Trend exhaustion is not yet at the top red section here. When it does get up here, we're going to see two correlations of both the well money flow and trend exhaustion up to the top red section, and that is where I'm looking for that move back down. Most likely, it will probably be pushing up, trying to get to structure resistance at $46,000. Once we get up there, we have been in this channel right here where we will most likely start seeing a move back down from there. I don't think we're going to get up here and just blast off really fast. There's still some uncertainty in the market. We still have the Russia and the Ukraine situation. So we're probably going to see a little bit of a rebound in the market like we've been showing here. We saw the whales actually buying into the market. You guys saw that Bitcoin video come out here. We saw the pump, the precursor after that, and now we might see a move down. Okay, so watch these indicators very closely, guys. Get these in the description and also use these to scalp. You guys are doing so good scalping, like thousands of dollars you guys are making. So now let's talk about this. Let's go over and look at the VUG. The last couple of days, I've been telling you guys, we're most likely going to see a double bottom and a bounce from here. And so we ended up seeing the double bottom and a bounce. This ended up spiking cryptocurrency back up here. And that was basically right around this area. It wasn't at the bottom, but it was right around this area. And we saw this nice move back up. That's basically taking everything into the green. Link is up 8%. AVX is up 7%. Like, this is a very nice move. Now, let's take a look at this. I know I'm saying we're taking a look at a lot of stuff here. But as far as the VUG, once we start breaking this descending resistance line, this is what I use to compare the S&P 500, the NASDAQ. I use the VNG, Vanguard Growth ETF. It is I feel like it correlates to crypto the best. When this goes up, crypto goes up. And when it goes down, it goes down. What we're seeing here is trend exhaustion at the bottom, well money flow at the bottom. This has plenty of room to keep moving back up. And even if we break this descending resistance, guys, we could start moving up very fast. A lot of altcoins have descending resistances on them right now. This could be a precursor to a very nice bull market to come. And $46,000 by the end of the week is absolutely possible. And it could actually end up pushing us into this bull market where we start targeting higher highs, which, let's pull back over here. The next target I'm looking at is structure high up here, and it is just above $50,000. About $52,000 is the next target we're looking for. So not unrealistic. That will push a lot of our trades into the wins. So please watch that, guys, because we're going to be taking those wins, entering back into other ones, and we're just going to keep making money. Currently, we're sitting at 125,452 out of 150,000. We are very healthy in our accounts, and I'll teach you guys how to trade this way. Let's move over into the metrics once we let the hamsters run and they're done. Okay, cool. We're sitting in the same spot. Take a look at this guy, the charts. Let me show this to you guys real quick. How do you access all of our metrics? This is how we're predicting moves up and down. You guys come over here, snag your membership. access to all the metrics you are about to see, as well as the Telegram channel where I'm showing you guys all of the exits for every trade we make with the indicators, as well as you guys are going to get access to when I personally enter into coins, all of my entries are documented and I call them out in Telegram so you can literally copy me. We've never lost a trade. If you want to copy me, we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube and literally the healthiest account we can find on all of YouTube. You guys have that opportunity, okay? Masterclasses are always all available to you guys for the membership. And then tomorrow, okay, guys, this is kind of a big announcement. Tomorrow, we're going live on Zoom together as a family, and you guys can get into that right now. Go up here to the menu bar, click on this Inner Circle Hangouts, and we're going to go live on Zoom tomorrow. I want to talk to you guys about a few things, and then we'll do an open Q&A session, so it's going to be awesome. All right. That's going to be so much fun. Make sure you guys don't miss that. I'll do a post in Telegram so you guys can see that. Just make sure you have your membership. Everything else runs through the Telegram channel and the website. Okay, metrics. Metrics on all of our coins are going to help us predict the moves up here. This is how we predicted this move here. This is where we saw Wells institutions actually entering money into the market, and that's how we were able to actually call this move back up here. So let's take a look at this. All right. The emotional index this morning on Bitcoin, we are sitting in the neutral section, but this is showing us what happened yesterday. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this will update. So literally in 45 minutes, this will update. What we're most likely going to see is the emotions of the market pushing back up to excited because we've seen a nice move back up here, okay? When it starts getting excited, I want you guys to be cautious here and look to just see what's happened in the past when we pushed up into these excited areas. We can see in these areas we've seen moves down right here. We saw this move down. We saw the move down here, move down, and another move down, okay? When retail traders are getting excited, this is where institutions like to sell and short you guys, okay? Let me prove this to you. Long versus short trades in the market over here for Bitfinex. Long trades have absolutely been skyrocketing over here. I have not seen an increase of long trades this fast on any coin ever. Okay? I really do believe this is institutions and Wells pushing their money into the market to buy the demand of a lower price because Bitcoin may not be sitting at this price for too much longer. What we ended up doing is we stopped heading back down. Did you guys notice this? Are you seeing this? You guys know that we stopped going down here and then we're actually channel trading. This is a very bullish sign. Okay, this means that we have more attempts to try to move back up here than we do back down. Okay, we have this low and a higher low. So if we start pushing out of this channel here, this could get very bullish to target previous structure highs at $70,000. This is a lot better, obviously, than continuing to head back down. So watch this, guys. This is a bullish sign in the market. I had a friend I was meeting with the other day. And he's like, man, I'm thinking about getting into crypto. I'm like, I'm not a financial advisor, like you guys all know this, but I really think now is a good time to get money in and we could start seeing this bull run into quarter two start to really impact altcoins and make some really decent money. Short trades are increasing over here, finally, because we see the move back up here. So there are people coming out here saying, no, we do not think this is going to go up any higher. We're looking for the drop back down. I don't disagree with them, okay? Trend exhaustion high with well money flow high. We know these indicators are going to call drops over here. It is ridiculous, and these are the two most accurate indicators you guys will get to call the drops in crypto. Okay, it even called the prediction drop before we saw Putin invade Ukraine. We saw this over here and actually predicted the drop before it happened, and it predicted this one. It predicted this one over here. It also predicted this move down here and this move as well. Okay, guys, it's also predicting moves back up as well at the bottom. So, guys, two most accurate indicators, snag them. You guys will not regret that. Okay, another bullish sign in the market is the market cap strength of Bitcoin. Okay, I know their altcoins are going down right now for their market cap, but Bitcoin is continuing to rise. This shows us that people are very bullish and they're taking their money out of altcoins and they're putting it into Bitcoin. How do we know this? Because this shows the relative market cap of Bitcoin relative to the percentage of the overall market cap. So if the overall market cap is represented here and we see a green line going up on Bitcoin, that means money has to be coming out of other altcoins for Bitcoin to go up. Okay, because it's relative to the entire market. So this is telling us that people like Bitcoin right now, and they are shoving their money in Bitcoin, and they are taking their money out of other coins. Okay, bullish sign there. Trades in favor, guys. Looking down here, we can see that we pushed into the good long trade. This was yesterday. My scalpers out there, come on, guys. Like, you're making money if you're watching this YouTube channel and you have these tools. Here's the setup. It said good long trade. You came over here and you look for trend exhaustion to be in the lower red section, and you saw well money flow low, guys. That's exactly at the bottom here. You all made your trade and you're in and out, and you've already made 3 to 4%. If you are currently holding this position still, because you guys had the indicators and you got in, let's not cheat here. Go straight to the bottom and follow this straight up right there, okay? Once you guys got in here, you're currently sitting up about 14, 13% right now. I would look to take at least 50% out of this trade here and then maybe put a stop loss and trail this back up, okay? Most of you guys following the strategy, congratulations, you did make your 3 to 4%, and now you're on to your next trade, and you could actually be looking for a short trade to set up here pretty soon. But I would wait for this to push back up into good short trade, and then trend exhaustion at the high section, well money flow high, and then look to short that back down, okay? Like it did over here. Let me show you how to make more money. When this is pushed up into the good short trade area, do you guys see where that was? Trend exhaustion was high, well money flow was high. Use the metrics and the indicators and get positive correlation on all these and short, and then go long. Guys, this is literally how people are making tons of money, and they're like finally trading for a living is what we're actually hearing people come in and talk to us about. So really, really fun. All right, guys, well, in institutional smart money, you can use that with this as well. So we saw this over the last few days that we ended up seeing long trades come into the market. Okay, where was that? Right at this area. Okay, trend exhaustion low. Well money flow low. Use the metrics. Like literally trade with Wells Institution and smart money. Literally, guys. Okay. We have people that I coach have hundreds of millions of dollars. They use this metric. They are the Wells institutions you guys talk about and hear about. Obviously, not all of them, but I do coach some of them. They look at this and they're like, okay, if the price is going up here and they're coming out and shorting, what should you guys be looking to do? Guys, short right around this area. Okay, and then let me show you something else. Like you guys are like, okay, what do we do when the market's going down? It's not time to sell. Institutions are buying. Well, look at this. They're buying really strong. How do you scalp the market and get in? You look down here. What happened? The moment the trend exhaustion got to the bottom red section and well money flow was low, guys, was over here. It wasn't at the bottom, but everybody came back up, easily made their 3 to 4%, and probably went close to 12 to, I don't know. Let me get exactly here. So this was down here at the bottom, right about there. It wasn't over here. I want to just be honest with you guys, but you pushed up all the way up until about 13%. So again, 3 to 4% is very simple to make in these markets. And you guys are just doing over and over and over again. The metrics with the indicators give you guys a ridiculous amount of power to call these moves correctly. Okay, well, let's keep going here and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup with our original strategy. I need to start naming these strategies. There's the trade confident scalping strategy, and then there's like the buy limit strategy, I guess. Support resistance prices, guys. Looking up here, 45,000, and then we're looking at the low of 34,000. Okay, basically, just look at this target up here. We're looking for 46,000 the target by the end of the week. Coming back down, we're probably going to be looking at about 37,000. I think we have more momentum in here to keep pushing up here than move back down. So I'm looking for a $46,000 target by Friday, okay? Dollar cost average entries, guys, really, really, really good job for those of you guys who got down here. Here's another metric you guys can use in accordance with the indicators to call moves for great entries for longs and great entries for shorts when you guys are scalping, okay? Or if you guys just want to hold, everybody's in profit. Everybody's in profit there. Okay, come look over here. Wait for this to update this morning. This will most likely show you guys the red bar is going to come out pretty soon, and we want to be watching that because this has been really good at predicting the moves back down. Okay, you can also use this to actually exit your scalping trades or the long trades that you're in. We're not going to exit this trade until we're in the profit because we're so close, but watch for that. Okay, guys, let's keep going. This is the last thing I'm going to show you guys, and then we're kind of done with the video. Is the trade setup here, but let me show this to you guys. I forget. This is like only on Bitcoin. Death Cross, currently active. Okay, let's continue down. All right, here's how you guys trade our strategy. This is the main strategy that literally has never lost us a trade ever. And we've won 110 wins. Sorry, that was fast. We've won 110 wins in a row, and we're about to take our 111th win on AVAX. Let's look at this. Here's all you guys are going to do. Literally in like 38 minutes here, these metrics are going to update. Choose the amount that you want to enter our trades with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250, and place 250 at each yellow line. 250, 250, 250, 250. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. That's just up here, guys. This is in case the market explodes and goes up overnight. You want to make sure you've got some money taken out of the market, okay? All right, guys. After that, join me in Telegram. Join me in Telegram, and this is where I'm calling all the exits for you guys. So literally, if you guys are like, hey, look, I want to just copy you, Travis. You clearly know what you're doing. I just want to copy you. That's exactly what I'm giving you guys the opportunity to do. And then if you guys want the freedom to go scalp on your own, get the indicators as well as the metrics, and you guys watch that masterclass, and you guys can literally just scalp on any coins that you want because the indicators are going to work on all of them. Our metrics are on the top 12 coins. Well, close to the top 12. I'll show that to you guys in a second. But that's what you guys can do. As far as the Telegram channel, just make sure you're signed in on your phone or your computer first, and then you guys can actually get into the Telegram channel. You can access it up here as well. As far as the coins we trade, because I know a lot of people are going to watch this and be like, okay, sweet, I want to scalp now because you've proven that this works. You guys can scalp on these metrics because we have them. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Solana, VeChain, Polygon, Polkadot, Chainlink, EOS, Decentraland, and Avalanche. Guys, plenty of coins. The really good coins up here, in my personal opinion, that are really good for scalping and just trading. All right. Last but not least, guys, the indicators. So the indicators right now are 82% off. You need these to scalp the markets just like I showed you. We literally are keeping this discounted here, and we will be raising this price. So if you're listening to my voice right now, guys, I'm just giving you a hint. I would snag these, okay? So the prices will be going up probably in, I don't want to we have it set for around April time that we're going to actually be raising this price. So just be aware of that, okay? The price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion, these indicators right here, these are the main ones you guys want. Honestly, if you use coupon code SAVEMONEY, you're going to get 40% off. But because we have the bundle pack 82% off right now, it's just best to get this because it will just save you guys the most money. And you guys actually get all nine of our indicators here instead of just the 3. So that is even just a better deal, and you guys are basically paying the same. You get the indicators for life. This is not a Travis gives me access and I have to pay monthly for them. No. You pay once on basically Black Friday sale right now today, and you guys get to keep them all for life. Use them to scalp, use them to predict the markets up and down, and use them to make some money, guys. I'm using them on every single one of my exits, and you'll see me do that because I do snapshots with timestamps and show the indicators on all of our exits so you guys can learn how to use them even better. All right, guys. God bless you guys. I'm super excited. You guys are doing so amazing. For those of you guys who want to come over here and read the testimonials, have a blast doing this. It's just kind of ridiculous what people are doing with our system, and it just makes me proud. And if we can help you guys with anything, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. But snag this membership, guys. Tomorrow, we are going live on Zoom together as a family. I want to talk to you guys, like I said, about a few things, about the market, kind of goal setting, and then I want to open this up to a Q&A session, and we'll dive on in. So God bless you guys so much. Join our family, and I will see you guys on more videos today, as well as the Inner Circle class tomorrow on Zoom. All the links are in the description, as well as the bundle pack that's 82% off today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Congrats, guys. Great job on making great money with our system here. And we're going to try to target 120 for 120 wins by the end of March. And this bull run might be exactly what we need to get us there. All right. We'll see you guys later. Links in the description. Bye, guys.